In this video, we look at the hierarchy of loanable items. So the superclass loanable item implements serializable, and it implements the matchable interface, and it has the common methods, common fields for all the different types of loanable items. So the common fields would be things like title, ID, who borrowed the loanable item, and when it is due. The matches method is here, and if you find more methods that are common, they should all go here. If you find more fields, they should go here. We will see some of them in the coming slides. So the superclass loanable item has a constructor. It is protected, so it can be called from the subclasses. The loanable item gets the title and ID, and they are stored. The book subclass has the title, author, and ID passed to it. It uses the title and ID to call the loanable items constructor and stores the author. The periodical has the date acquired because new periodicals cannot be checked out, so this needs to be there. And given the title and ID, passes the two parameters to the superclass constructor, and then stores the current time here. This line is not needed, set time. It is always going to be the current time and date. The toString method of the superclass loanable item is here, and they are subclassed like this here. They're pretty easy things to see. The subclass for subclass book adds the author field, and the periodical class toString also attaches the date acquired. The common issue method in loanable item would look like this. It would store the due date and the member who borrowed it, and the subclass will have the additional code needed. So the book would call super.issue and add 1 month to the due date. The code for periodical would check if the book can be issued. Sorry, the periodical can be issued, because not all periodicals can be issued. If it is new, then we don't issue it. So that is the code here. And if the periodical can be issued, it calls the superclasses issue method.